Hello, everyone. Many of you are still reporting seeing those pending payments in your accounts, and there are several different reasons why this is happening. Also, the EDD has finally addressed the issue on why many of you were not able to file for a new claim online once you reached your benefit year-end date. $0 and low balances still needing to be updated. Then there are some of you who are seeing the not paid payment status in your UI online accounts, as well as ongoing issues with ID.me identification. First off, pending payments. Many claimants were not aware once they reached the benefit year end, which is 12 months from the start of your original claim, that you were required to file for a new claim unless you were on a PUA claim. This is not something that is going to be done automatically and will require action. What went wrong for many of you is once you reach the benefit year end date, you were not given the option like you see here, which was having the ability to file for a new claim online. You were also not given any notification in your UI online account indicating that you had to file a new claim to begin with. So many of you ended up continuing to certify for weekly benefits only to see those payment statuses stuck as pending. The problem has impacted so many claimants that EDD has now come out and stated this issue is going to be resolved by mid-April. And at that time, you will also have the ability to backdate your claim, which means you will not miss out on any prior week's benefits. Again, this has to be done on all claims other than PUA. Now, if you have filed for new claim and are still showing your payments listed as pending, you will need to wait. The EDD first needs to determine whether or not to keep you on a federal extension or move you back to a regular UI claim. The fact that so many people have reached their benefit year-end date at the moment is causing a backup of claim processing even more than usual. I would say if you are not given the option to file for a new claim by April 21st, then you may need to try to call in. I would try this number above 1-800-300-5616, and I would recommend try calling between the hours of 1 and 2 p.m. Based on subscriber feedback, this has been reported the best time to get into that queue. I know it will not work for everyone, but hopefully it will work for some of you. If you do not see an option for filing a new claim online after a certain point, as well as not able to reach anyone at EDD by phone, then there is still the option of filling out a DE1101I form on the EDD's website and either faxing or mailing it back to them. I have recommended this before, and if you are out of options, then you may need to consider filing for a new claim this way. Many of you have either reached a zero claim balance or seeing a low claim balance left in your UI online account like seen here. Now the EDD is continuing to update those claim balances with the latest round of unemployment extension benefits passed in March and have stated that this should be completed by mid-April. So I would keep checking your UI online account, but there is no need to call in regards to this issue. There are several subscribers who are reported only being able to certify for 1 week's worth of benefits, also like you see here, on April 11th, and were confused about this. This is because the unemployment extension passed by Congress back in late December officially expired on April 10th. The EDD had to close out that extension by paying the last of those funds out before starting up on this newest extension passed in March. There is no action that needs to be done on your part. If you certified for that 1 week's worth of benefits back on April 11th, you will certify again as usual on April 25th for 2 weeks worth of benefits under the new extension. We are seeing more situations like this where claimants are seeing this not paid status rather than seeing paid or pending. This could potentially indicate there is an issue with your claim and you will need to call in. Now, it could be for a variety of reasons such as identity verification, reporting earnings conflict, address verification, or the fact you did not file a new claim. But it is important you call in regards to this problem. It will not resolve itself. Some of you have or will be in the upcoming weeks receiving an email from EDD in regards to verifying your address. I believe overall a low percentage of claimants will be receiving this, but if you do, it will be important to address this immediately because your benefits could be suspended as a result of not verifying. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation and awaiting any additional news releases from the EDD on all of these items. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button below to keep you updated on future developments, and thanks for watching.